Hello there. Preparing for your UK theory test? You're in exactly the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the key questions.
Let's see what you score in this test. Don't forget commenting and checking others' score.
Fuss, no confusion, just clear, straightforward explanations that actually make sense. If you find this useful, do give the video a like, subscribe, and switch on notifications so you never miss an update. Right then, take a moment, get comfortable, let's begin. Question 1. How can you identify traffic signs that give orders? A. They're triangular with a blue border. B. They're square with a brown border. C. They're circular with a red border. D. They're rectangular with a yellow border. The right answer is C. They're circular with a red border. Question 2. What shape are traffic signs giving orders? The right answer is B. Question 3. Which type of sign tells you what you must not do? The right answer is B. Question 4. What does this sign mean? A. Maximum speed limit with traffic calming. B. Minimum speed limit with traffic calming. C. 20 cars only, parking zone. D. Only 20 cars allowed at any one time. The right answer is A. Maximum speed limit with traffic calming. Question 5. What does this sign mean? A. End of 20 mile per hour zone. B. No vehicles over 30 tons. C. New speed limit 20 miles per hour. D. Minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour. The right answer is A. End of 20 mile per hour zone. Question 6. What does this sign mean? A. No motor vehicles. B. No overtaking. C. Clearway, no stopping. D. Cars and motorcycles only. The right answer is A. No motor vehicles. Question 7. What does this sign mean? A. No road markings. B. No parking. C. No entry. D. No through road. The right answer is C. No entry. Question 8. What does this sign mean? A. No traffic from the right. B. Road on the right closed. C. Bend to the right. D. No right turn. The right answer is D. No right turn. Question 9. Which sign means no entry? The right answer is B. Question 10. What does this sign mean? A. Route for buses only. B. Parking for trams only. C. Parking for buses only. D. Route for trams only. The right answer is D. Route for trams only. Question 11. Which type of vehicle does this sign apply to? A. Wide vehicles. B. Heavy vehicles. C. High vehicles. D. Long vehicles. The right answer is C. High vehicles. Question 12. Which sign means no motor vehicles allowed? The right answer is A. Question 13. What does this sign mean? A. You have priority. B. No motor vehicles. C. Two-way traffic. D. No overtaking. The right answer is D. No overtaking. Question 14. What does this sign mean? A. Waiting restrictions apply. B. Clear way, no stopping. C. National speed limit applies. D. Waiting permitted. The right answer is A. Waiting restrictions apply. Question 15. What does this sign mean? A. End of restricted parking area. B. End of clearway. C. End of cycle route. D. End of restricted speed area. The right answer is A. End of restricted parking area. Question 16. Which sign means no stopping? The right answer is B. Question 17. What does this sign mean? A. No stopping. B. National speed limit applies. C. No entry. D. Waiting restrictions apply. The right answer is A. No stopping. Question 18. What does this sign mean? A. Distance to public telephone ahead. B. Distance to public house ahead. C. Distance to passing place ahead. D. Distance to parking place ahead. The right answer is D. Distance to parking place ahead. Question 19. What does this sign mean? A. Vehicles may park on the left-hand side of the road only. B. Vehicles may park on the right-hand side of the road only. C. Vehicles may park fully on the verge or footway. D. Vehicles may not park on the verge or footway. The right answer is C. Vehicles may park fully on the verge or footway. Question 20. What does this traffic sign mean? A. give priority to oncoming traffic, B, two-way traffic, C, one-way traffic only, D, no overtaking allowed. The right answer is A, give priority to oncoming traffic. Question 21. What's the meaning of this traffic sign? A, bus lane ahead, B, end of two-way road, C, give priority to vehicles coming towards you, D, you have priority over vehicles coming towards you. The right answer is D, you have priority over vehicles coming towards you. Question 22. What shape is a stop sign? The right answer is A. Question 23. In winter, road signs can become covered by snow. What does this sign mean? A, crossroads, B, give way, C, stop, D, turn right. The right answer is C, stop. Question 24. What does this sign mean? A, maximum speed 30 miles per hour. B, minimum speed 30 miles per hour. C, lay-by 30 miles ahead. D, service area 30 miles ahead. The right answer is C, lay-by 30 miles ahead. Question 25. What does this sign mean? A, approaching traffic passes you on both sides. B, pass either side to get to the same destination. C, turn off at the next available junction. D, give way to oncoming vehicles. The right answer is B, pass either side to get to the same destination. Thank you for watching the Driving School UK channel video. Write your score in the comments.